welcome back to SS Multimedia. My name is Naman Patel and I'm going to be teaching your lesson today. Today's lesson is going to be about fractions and sets. So today's objective is going to be how to learn how to use fractions and sets. So fractions are parts of a whole, so like 1/2, 3/4, 2/3. These are all fractions. Okay, so next we have sets. So in this lesson today, sets are complete drawings here. So like this is a set, and this is circled, this is circled, and this is circled. So this here is a set. Okay, so to start off, I have 4 shapes here, and I have a line. This is the line that splits the numerator and denominator. Okay, so let's just draw a box around here to show your answer. And let me tell you what the part of this set is. So we have to find, or what fraction of this set is or are circles. So all we have to do here is count the circles, right? So 1 circle and 2 circles. So since we found 2 circles, that means two circles out of the how many shapes though? So to find the denominator, we have to look at all of these shapes and count all of these shapes. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's 2/4. So 2/4 of this shape, or of this here, is or are circles. So we have 2/4. But wait, this is also equal to 1/2. So we can just write that. This doesn't mean anything. It's just an equivalent fraction to make it easier to identify, right? So we have some more. I have another set here, or we have another set here, and another set over here. Both of these sets look different, so we're going to talk about that. Okay, so we have this set that has 1 triangle and 1, 2, 3 diamond shapes, right? So the prompt here is to find how many or what fraction of this set are or is triangles. Okay. So we know that there's only 1 triangle out of this whole set, right? So let's write down 1 here as a numerator. And let's just box this. Okay, and then now we have to find the denominator, and to find the denominator we have to find the total amount of shapes we have here, right? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1/4 of this set is a triangle, right? Now let's move on to this next set. This set looks different from the one we did right here and the one we did here, right? So all we have to do here is find the fraction of circles or solid circles here. Okay? So a solid circle is a filled-in circle, right? So this is a solid circle. Okay, so see that as fully filled in, right? So we're looking for those. So we're looking for these right here. Okay? So now let's start counting. We have 1, 2, and 3. So whoops, it's like I erased it. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and 3, right? So we have 3 solid circles. So that's our numerator. To find our denominator, we have to count the total amount of circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have a denominator of 6. And this is equal to 1/2, because 3 is half of 6. Okay, so now that I've done that, and I've done all of it without your help, I think it's time that, since you guys learned all of this, it's time to show me what you actually have learned. I have 2 sets here that I'm going to have to ask you, to solve. And yeah, do one set at a time. Okay? Okay. So, now let me read out the prompt for this first set. You guys are only going to be doing the first set first. Okay? So, what we have to do here is find the fraction, or what fraction of this set is blue shapes. Alright? So what fraction of this set is blue? Okay? So now you guys can take 10 seconds, or you guys can pause the video, but I'm only gonna wait for 10 seconds. Okay, so you guys can pause the video now and work these problems out, and remember to keep your answer ready. Go. 5-second warning. And you're done. Okay. So now let's figure out the answer, I guess. Yeah. That one is blue. So first thing we have to do is count the amount of blue shapes in this set. So I know that there's 1 here, 2 here, and 3. There's 3 blue shapes. So you can write down 3 as our numerator. And now we have to count the total amount of squares or shapes. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Right? So there are 7 shapes. Oops. Okay, so while I'm correcting the 7, you guys can go ahead and continue working and finish the set. But wait, looks like I forgot to tell you something. Got to tell you the prompt of this set here. Right, so the prompt of this is to find, or what fraction of this set are non-solid circles. Right, so are not filled in. So like this is a non-solid circle. Okay. So we're gonna be looking for these. Okay. So you guys can pause the video now and work these problems out. Or this problem out. Remember to keep your answer ready. Give me 10 seconds. Okay, so I hope you finish this. You can pause the video if you need to. But if you're ready, then stick with me. Okay? So, to find the amount of, or fraction of, uncircled or unfilled in, or unfilled circles in this set, we have to find the amount of unfilled circles in this set. Okay, the prompt is to find the fraction of encircled or unfilled circles. Yeah. So then we have 1 here and 2 here. So 2 is our numerator, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sorry if this is a bit confusing, but it still gives us the total amount, so that's fine. So we have 2 over 6. So now let me just erase up these numbers so you guys can see the total amount. Right? Easier. Okay. Okay, so we have our answers right here. We have 3 sevens for this first set and 2 6 for the second set. So you guys can comment down below now if you got both of the answers right, or if you got one of the answers right, or if you got none of the answers right. If you got none of them, no problem. Keep working. If you got one of them, good job, but keep working. If you got both of them right, then good for you. But still, remember to keep working. Okay? Well, now that we have concluded this lesson, you guys can complete these last 3 steps. They are to like this video. The second step is to share this video to everyone you know. And the third step is to smash that subscribe button. And while you're there, ring that bell icon. Yes, the notification button. Just do it. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one.